all subscribers to my new channel, Asha and Glenn. Asha and Glenn new channel. Let's
Bye-bye.
grow up together. Bye-bye.
What are you doing? What recipe?
Oh, you're recording me? Robię pulpety w sosie pieczarkowo-śmietanowym.
Ah, okay.
Mommy, do
Then
I
it's
Mommy, do I know?
yes,
Who's this?
yours. Means chicken with bula bula in
Mommy.
in mushroom
It's
and
mine?
creamer sauce.
Oh, first time I taste.
Yes, it's yours.
It's my husband.
Yes, there's two same. One is yours, one is Mishi. You know? Excuse me, but it's not toys. No, no, this is for cooking, for cutting pizza. Yes, excuse me, madam.
Madam.
I need to reach my toys. I have to find because I don't know, there's a lot of toys in my mom's kusina. And I'm looking for some of them.
Mommy,
But
tell
I'm
me
not sure where they are.
pizza.
But not today.
Please.
Another day, okay?
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Sure?
Yeah.
Pizza.
I'm so hungry pizza.
Yeah.
Gusto mo maghimo og pizza?
Yes.
Okay.
You know, Misha, I will do pizza for you, but not now. Maybe in another kusina, I have to try.
Please. 'Cause I'm
Here, Mona.
Think of the make
Maybe here.
Anong ipangita mo?
Like this, but 10.
Ah,
Don't record, I will go another place.
so ito yung mushroom daw. Ambot nga ba ni sa Pilipinas? Ah, ito yung pang pizza, di ba? Okay, try. Parang ito nga. Kanong kilo naman ito? Half kilo siya. Mga 75 pesos. Wow. Okay. Good. So with carne, grind pork. Grind chicken or grind pork? Ground pork.
This one is chicken.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I found this. My love, what did you do with this mushroom?
Nag-try lang ako if seen in the Philippines.
I think it's not the way. You record me hotel?
Yeah, just 5 minutes. So this is Joanna's first video in her new YouTube channel. She wants to earn because pareho kaming walang work. Guys, salamat sa inyo guys ha. Sa inyong support. What do you think? How helpful our subscribers to help us?
Well, they are very helpful. Without our subscribers, will not exist in social media. That's for sure.
Yeah.
We'll have no salary from YouTube. No traveling all around the world.
Yes guys, yan, mga naiipon-ipon lang namin sa pagbablog habang hindi pa naka-apply ng trabaho after 1 year. So after 1 year, pwede ako mag-apply ng ng work or like
You
you?
have to check. After 1 year, you can apply for resident, and resident can already work. You
Ah.
decide to stay here.
So while
But
I'm,
for now, you have not yet, because working visa is very hard to prepare and takes a lot of time.
I
There's
see.
no, how to say, no schedule for now. Event for working visa will be still in Philippines. It will wait.
So, bawal ako mag-apply trabaho.
For now, but you can ask for permit because your visa is allowed you to apply.
Ah, really?
Additional. Yes, touristic visa if you have D, but touristic visa or for schooling or like that. I think you cannot. For touristic, for sure, it's possible to apply to work like that.
Mm.
But from D to, you can ask for your work permit.
I
You can
see.
apply for work permit. But I don't know what's the process yet.
For now, kasi manganganak si Macy,
Too
so
much.
what if kasi mga tao ito busy, sis. Dali boy take my work. Mamili lang my work hospital. Then si Oscar, nag-school.
Yes.
And guys, si Arik yung panganay. Special child kasi yun eh.
You can use social assistant.
Yeah, pero may monthly silang social assistant.
Daddy, look, our party.
What? You want to dance? Yes daw, yes.
Daddy, let's do party, Daddy.
Okay. Ito, mahilig si Bunso ng dance. Aram samsam. Uy, hala.
Oh, man.
Oh my.
Oh, man.
Sobrahan. Aram samsam, aram samsam. Okay. Wow, aram samsam.
Please don't record because it's not. Yes. And what? You want to play with money?
Let's play money.
Maybe
Siya.
Daddy will play with you.
Okay.
With no thanks.
Say thank you to the new subscriber.
Thank you for my all subscribers to my new channel, Asha and Glenn. Asha and Glenn new channel. Let's
Bye-bye.
grow up together. Bye bye.